Welcome to a short preview of this Screencasts Online video tutorial. This week I thought we'd revisit the Mac Montage format, which for those new to Screencasts Online is a show where we cover apps that don't necessarily warrant a full show of their own, or share some random hints and tips on using your Mac. This week I'm going to cover 3 applications that I find to be really useful. The first is MacUpdater. This is a smart way of keeping all of your Mac apps up to date. Workspaces, a brilliantly simple utility that allows you to create bundles of task-specific files, URLs, applications, and pretty much any resource, and then launch them all with a single mouse click. And Dropshare, a utility to allow you to drag and drop files, screen captures, and much more to cloud storage and share them very, very easily. Now, the first app I'm going to take a look at is an incredibly useful app, and it was suggested to me by a Screencasts Online member, Steve Wallach. So this is MacUpdater. It's over at corecode.io/MacUpdater. Now, what MacUpdater does is it takes care of updating all the apps that aren't already being taken care of by the Mac App Store, so that you know if a new Mac appears in the Mac App Store, the Mac App Store mechanism will prompt you, and it will also update the apps for you. But third-party apps obviously aren't covered by that, so MacUpdater steps into that role. It has a database of over 30,000 apps that it keeps an eye on. It scans your Mac periodically, and whenever there is a new update, it will assist you in updating that particular application. MacUpdater is free to download and try. There is a trial version which allows you to update up to 10 apps. After that, it's just a single payment, I think of $9.99 for the unlocked application itself. To install the application, you have to go across to the developer's website. There's some more information on here. No registration needed, so it's private, a one-time purchase, no subscriptions. And then down at the bottom, we have a link to download the app. So let's go ahead and download it. So if we just go up to the downloads button, and there is MacUpdater latest zip. We'll just double click to unpack it. Okay, and we'll just drag this across to the applications folder. And within applications, we'll run it for the first time. So let's go ahead and run MacUpdater. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.